Video number 2. Just going to walk around. This is what I was mentioning, the vinyl scratches. They're not through to the fiberglass. These are all just the vinyl is scratched up from the pressure washer. So these are aesthetic issues here. This seat does go in the front. Propeller. And I will get out on the boat too. So there's a little scuff here and a scuff there. Like I said, these are all just vinyl stickers. There's a ladder in the front, there's a ladder in the back, and then that seat goes up here. Underneath, it's in good shape. No dings or scratches in the hull underneath it. And I'm gonna go up on top here. I'll put the phone down and show you the interior. And this is the one little stitch that is coming off that I mentioned to you. She's a little dirty. It's been a little dirty at the shop. And then you have the bolster here. And then you have all your instrument panel and your radio and your stereo. And turn that on there. And there's your hour meter and all your gauges. Storage locker, surround sound stereo, and your bimini top. I hope you liked the video. If you have any other questions, do call me. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, you've got hydraulic steering in it, and also the back. And a nice 150 Suzuki 4-stroke EFI. Really pretty boat, nice and wide, very stable and sturdy. And like I said, I will have to clean it again because our yard, if you could believe it, we still have snow in our yard. It's still dirty. And of course this closes over.